أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
ولقد أخذنا آل فرعون بالسنين ونقص من الثمرات لعلهم يذكرون.
And we afflicted the people of Pharaoh with barren years, and with shortage of crops, that they may take heed.
فإذا جاءتهم الحسنة قالوا لنا هذه وإن تصبهم سيئة يطيروا بموسى ومن معه ألا إنما طائرهم عند الله ولكن أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
When something good came their way, they said, "This is ours." And when something bad happened to them, they ascribed the evil omen to Moses and those with him. In fact, their omen is with Allah, but most of them do not know.
وقالوا مهما تأتنا به من آية لتسحرنا بها فما نحن لك بمؤمنين.
And they said, no matter what sign you bring us, to bewitch us with, we will not believe in you.
فأرسلنا عليهم الطوفان والجراد والقمل والضفادع والدم آيات مفصلات فاستكبروا وكانوا قوما مجرمين.
So we let loose upon them the flood, and the locusts, and the lice, and the frogs, and blood, all explicit signs, but they were too arrogant. They were a sinful people.
ولما وقع عليهم الرجز قالوا يا موسى ادع لنا ربك بما عهد عندك لئن كشفت عنا الرجز لنؤمنن لك ولنرسلن معك بني إسرائيل.
Whenever a plague befell them, they would say, O Moses, pray to your Lord for us, according to the covenant he made with you. If you lift the plague from us, we will believe in you, and let the children of Israel go with you.
فلما كشفنا عنهم الرجز إلى أجل هم بالغوه إذا هم ينكثون.
But when we lifted the plague from them, for a term they were to fulfill, they broke their promise.
فانتقمنا منهم فأغرقناهم في اليم بأنهم كذبوا بآياتنا وكانوا عنها غافلين.
So we took vengeance on them, and drowned them in the sea, because they rejected our signs, and paid no heed to them.
وأورثنا القوم الذين كانوا يستضعفون مشارق الأرض ومغاربها التي باركنا فيها وتمت كلمة ربك الحسنى على بني إسرائيل بما صبروا ودمرنا ما كان يصنع فرعون وقومه وما كانوا يعرشون.
And we made the oppressed people inherit the eastern and western parts of the land, which we had blessed. Thus the fair promise of your Lord to the children of Israel was fulfilled, because of their endurance. And we destroyed what Pharaoh and his people had built, and what they had harvested,